Sharpologist.com.
I'm Otto Wright for Sharpologist. Imagine standing in front of the mirror, razor in hand and ready to shave. For most, it's a simple task. But for those with psoriasis, it can be a daily challenge. Psoriasis, a chronic skin condition causing red, scaly patches, making even routine grooming a complex affair. With the right techniques and knowledge, you can master the art of wet shaving while managing your psoriasis. Psoriasis varies widely in form and severity, affecting each person differently. It can appear as raised, red patches with silvery scales, small drop-like spots, or smooth red areas and skin folds. This diversity means that skincare routines, including shaving, need to be highly individualized. Let's start with some general techniques for wet shaving with psoriasis. First, always shave with the grain in the direction of hair growth to reduce tugging and irritation. Use light pressure. A gentle touch is often more effective and significantly reduces the risk of nicks. Keep your strokes short and controlled for more precision and less stress on sensitive skin. Different types of psoriasis require different approaches. For plaque psoriasis, avoid shaving directly over plaques. Instead, shave around them or use an electric trimmer. If you have guttate psoriasis, which appears as small, drop-like spots, consider using a single-blade razor or an electric trimmer. For inverse psoriasis and skin folds, use sharp, clean blades and avoid shaving too closely. Pustular and erythrodermic psoriasis require extra caution. It's best to consult with a dermatologist before attempting to shave affected areas. Product selection is crucial when dealing with psoriasis. Opt for fragrance-free moisturizing shaving creams designed for sensitive skin. Consider ingredients like aloe vera or calendula. For razors, a safety razor often provides more control and less irritation. If using a cartridge razor, choose one with no more than 3 blades for a smoother glide. Before shaving, establish a pre-shave routine. Cleanse gently with a mild, hydrating cleanser. Soften the skin with a warm shower or towel. A pre-shave oil with essential oils can offer anti-inflammatory and moisturizing benefits. Post-shave care is equally important. Apply a fragrance-free moisturizer with soothing ingredients like shea butter or hyaluronic acid immediately after shaving. Even the best shaving techniques may occasionally lead to flare-ups. If this happens, it's essential to know how to manage these instances effectively. If this happens, over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream can help reduce inflammation and alleviate itching. Keep a journal to track flare-ups alongside your shaving routine. This can help identify potential triggers. While these self-care techniques are helpful, seeking professional advice is invaluable. A dermatologist can provide a thorough evaluation of your skin, recommend personalized products, and help monitor your skin's health over time. Managing psoriasis while wet shaving may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible to achieve a smooth, comfortable shave. Remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Be patient, listen to your skin, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. With time and practice, you can transform your shaving routine from a source of stress into a positive self-care ritual.